Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can start a wash cycle on your LG direct drive washing machine step by step. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply open the washing machine door, and then you just have to place your clothes inside the drum. Afterwards, you just have to pull out the detergent drawer, and then you just have to do nothing but to just simply add the detergent to the main wash compartment. If you are using the fabric softener, you just have to pour it into the compartment which is marked with the flower symbol without filling past the max line. Now after doing this, you just have to simply press this type of power button on top of your machine, and the machine will then turn on and the default wash program will also appear on the display. After doing so, you just have to simply use this type of selector knob until you reach to the cycle that you want. So here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different types of cycles. Like we have cotton quick, then we have synthetic, we have delicate. So you just have to simply choose the one that you want. After that, you just have to simply adjust the temperature and the speed if you want to. After doing this, you just have to simply take a look at this type of start/pause button. So when you press this particular button, the machine will lock the door, sense the load for a few seconds, and then automatically begin the wash cycle. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.